Experience the ultimate in luxury with your GMC Sierra SLE newly installed made-to-order seat covers. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, these custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation easy. Begin by removing all the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, unfold the seat cover and fasten it to the seat with the hook and loop closure. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat and around the seat controls. Now, push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat to secure the covers. Slip the headrest covers over the headrest. Next, lift each section of the bottom seats upward. Stretch the covers around the seats. Now, push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Lift each section of the bottom seats upward. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat to secure the covers. Next, stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Then secure the straps with hook and loop closure. Next, lift each section of the bottom seats upward. Then secure the straps to the seat bottom with hook and loop closure. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your GMC Sierra SLE with the stylish and practical newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.